Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great times, great vibes, let the fun begin. From the shoreline to the open blue, this journey's made for me and you. Great Lakes Ventures, come along for the ride.
Welcome to SeaWorld Orlando. This video shows the full Dolphin Adventure show, highlighting the dolphins' natural behaviors and conservation message. And this is by far the best animal show at SeaWorld. This show is a live presentation at the Dolphin Stadium, highlighting bottlenose dolphins, trainers, and focusing on education, animal adaptation, and ocean conservation with impressive jumps, spins, and guest participation like feeding.
Nice job, Mia. You just got a dolphin. Look at your hands. Do you see those? Those are fish hooks. Gross. Want to smell them?
Ew.
Stinky, right? Don't worry. We have the perfect way to get rid of them. What we're going to do is we're going to show our hands to Scott. Put our hands together. Go ahead. Yep, put them together. And now rub them really fast. And now just dry them off. There you go. Now you're really smelling like a dolphin trainer. All right, another great way to build a relationship with Scott is by giving him a nice soft back rub. So go ahead and put both knees on the ground, just like me. And he's going to show us his back. You can reach out, give him a little back rub.
Aww.
What do you think he feels?
Aim to arrive 20 to 30 minutes early for good seats, especially if you want to sit in the soak zone for a chance to get wet. The experience aimed to build bonds and inspire respect for marine life. The afternoon shows are way more exciting than the morning, in my opinion. So here's the full video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.
That celebrates the bottlenose dolphin. It's our hope that you'll leave here today knowing a whole lot more about these amazing animals and have a renewed respect for the oceans and waterways we share with them. Now let's get things started by introducing you to two of our dolphins. Coming up, this is Clyde and Spark. Both Clyde and Spark are bottlenose dolphins, which is one of several different species of whales and dolphins, also known as cetaceans, that can be found right off the Florida coast. All the dolphins you'll meet here today were born within our SeaWorld parks, and they reach an age from 5 all the way up to 47 years old. Now after today's presentation, be sure to visit us next door at Key West Dolphin Cove, where you can learn even more and get an even closer look at this amazing marine mammal. But now that we've met some of our pod, let's dive in and talk about what makes dolphins so cool. Nature has given them some amazing adaptations that allow them to navigate, forage, and even play. One of these is the blowhole right on top of their head. This is where dolphins breathe from, but it's also where they make a variety of vocalizations. So, let's listen in. Consists of fish, squid, and even the occasional crustacean. To catch this fast-moving and slippery fish, dolphins will use their powerful tails to reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. They can also use their powerful tails to get a better look above the surface, allowing them to get all the way up and out of the water.
You missed that one.
Engaging our dolphins both mentally and physically allows us to give them the best care possible and provides exceptional animal welfare. With this care, we're able to create bonds and relationships with them, much like you might with your dog at home. But while dolphins seem to be natural athletes, it's our mutual love of play that provides that connection between us. And over the past 60 plus years, SeaWorld has learned that their play ultimately leads to our discoveries. So while today's playtime might just look like a lot of impressive jumps and spins, it's actually an essential part of how we care for them. Just watch. waiting for you to discover. Dolphins are innately curious, and in the ocean, this can lead them to explore polluted areas or even play with marine trash. So what can we do to help? Small things can make a big difference. Recycle. Join a beach cleanup. Be sure to properly dispose of fishing line and plastic bottles. Better yet, choose reusable items and reduce the amount of waste we all produce. Simple actions like these can go a long way in protecting marine life. The other trainers and I are just a few of over 350 zoological professionals on the SeaWorld team. Collectively, this team not only provides world-class care for these dolphins, but has also helped to facilitate the rescue of over 42,000 animals, with the goal of rehabilitating and returning them to their natural habitat. Your visit today matters. Without your support, we wouldn't be able to continue this work and save wildlife that needs our help. So on behalf of the entire animal care team, we'd like to say thank you.